thunderstorm warning for Delaware, Northwestern Cumberland County in southern New Jersey, County in southern New Jersey, southern Camden County in southern New Jersey, Gloucester County in southern New Jersey, southwestern Philadelphia County in southeastern Pennsylvania, southeastern Delaware County in southeastern Pennsylvania, until 1 p.m. At 12:19 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from Gibbstown to near Penns Grove to Delaware Memorial Bridge, moving southeast at 30 miles per hour. Source hacked, damage to roofs, siding, trees, and power lines is possible. Locations impacted include Philadelphia, Wilmington, Vineland, Bridgeton, Gloucester City, Chester, Deptford, West Deptford, Glassboro, Lindenwold, Pennsville, Belmore, Woodbury, Hickman, Clayton, Carneys Point, Berlin, Folcroft, Ellesmere, and Paulsboro. For your protection, an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. In addition to large hail and damaging winds, frequent cloud-to-ground lightning is occurring with these storms. Move indoors immediately. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. Torrential rainfall is occurring with these storms and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 1 p.m. for the following counties in Pennsylvania, Delaware and Philadelphia, and Newcastle, Cumberland, and Salem. The National Weather Service in Mount Holly has issued a flash flood warning for southwestern Bucks County in southeastern Pennsylvania, central Montgomery County in southeastern Pennsylvania, until 4:30 p.m. At 12:21 p.m., Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Between 0.5 and 1 inch of rain has fallen. The expected rainfall rate is 2 to 4 inches in 1 hour. Additional rainfall amounts of 0.5 to 1.5 inches are possible in the warned area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard: flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source: radar. Impact: flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that may experience flash flooding include Lansdale, Hatboro, Souderton, Chalfont, Hatfield, Bremerton, Iveland, Fricks, Willow Grove, Rickboro, Horsham, and Skippack. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Here is the regional weather forecast. For the southern Poconos, dense fog advisory in effect